A simple step-by-step guide on how to clean DPF using MotorPower Care DPF foam cleaner. Start by parking your vehicle in a well-ventilated area. Then, from cold engines, start the vehicle for only 1 minute and no longer, so the DPF will not be too hot but not too cold. Locate and remove the upper stream temperature or O2 sensor located on or near the diesel particulate filter. Shake the can well prior to application. Attach the long nozzle provided with the foam cleaner to the can. This hose is designed to reach the DPF surface effectively. Insert the hose into the sensor port. Begin spraying the foam cleaner into the DPF, applying it evenly across the surface by moving it left and right. After applying the foam, let it soak inside the DPF for the 20 to 25 min. Reinstall the sensor into its port. Start the vehicle and allow it to warm up to normal operating temperature. Initiate the regeneration process either by using a shop scanner or by taking a 40-minute drive on open roads. This process helps to burn off the accumulated carbon and soot. If the DPF is still clogged after the initial cleaning process, you may need to repeat the entire cleaning process up to 4 times to clear out the carbon and soot. Preventative maintenance. To prevent further carbon buildup and maintain optimal performance, we recommend using MotorPower Care DPF Purge Filter 808 additive, regularly adding it to the diesel tank. Please refer to your vehicle's manual for any specific guidelines or precautions related to the DPF. If you are unsure or uncomfortable performing the task yourself, it is advisable to seek assistance from a qualified automotive professional.